Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the brake pads on this mountain bike. Um, the existing pads were fine, but one of the side of the pad, the actual, I'll show you. See, this is the brake pad. Okay, so what happens is the pad just came off, this bit here. And this particular bike has the hydraulic brakes, so I'll be careful with the fluid, so hopefully it will be a straightforward replacement of the pads. Basically, even in the disc brake, you have two different types. One is hydraulic brakes and the other one is the cable operated. So in this particular case is the hydraulic brakes. As you can see, one side of the pad is fine, the other side is either come apart or is completely worn out. So just gonna do this now. We got the new pads from Amazon, so I'm just gonna undo this bolt here, and then there's another one here. By doing that, the whole thing will come apart and we could easily get to the pads. Okay friends, there you go, that's one bolt. This is another one. Okay, and just gonna pull it apart. There we go. As you can see, okay, I'll show you. As you can see, one side is fine, the other side is completely gone on. It's either worn out or it just came apart. Okay, so just gonna pull this off. So that's your old brake pads here, and I'm just gonna replace it with the new ones. As I mentioned it before, fairly easy job. So there we go. That's how it goes in one side. Okay, and then the middle clip. Okay, this is the tensioner. Okay, and then the okay, right. So I'm just gonna screw it back in to its place, just like that. Simple as that. There you go guys. Just gonna tighten the bolts on each side, and hopefully this will do the magic. Right, let's see. Okay, as you can see, the gap is a little bit too close. So what I'm gonna do is I just gonna push the piston back a bit. For that I need a flathead screwdriver to push the piston back. Okay. Just gonna screw the caliper back into its place. Right, guys, just gonna try the brakes now. There we go. Another simple fix. You can do it at home. You don't need to take it to the bicycle shop.